Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Either you run the day or the day runs you. Formal education will make you a living. Self-education will make you a fortune. If you are not willing to risk the unusual, you will have to settle for the ordinary. Happiness is not something you postpone for the future. It is something you design for the present. If you don't design your own life plan, chances are you'll fall into someone else's plan, and guess what they have planned for you? Not much. Whatever good things we build end up building us. You must take personal responsibility. You cannot change the circumstances, the seasons, or the wind, but you can change yourself. That is something you have charge of. We must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline, or the pain of regret or disappointment. Take advantage of every opportunity to practice your communication skills so that when important occasions arise, you will have the gift, the style, the sharpness, the clarity, and the emotions to affect other people. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines, practiced every day. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you cannot get more time. You cannot change your destination overnight, but you can change your direction overnight. It is the set of the sails, not the direction of the wind, that determines which way we will go. The walls we build around us to keep sadness out also keeps out the joy. Learning is the beginning of wealth. Learning is the beginning of health. Learning is the beginning of the miracle process all begins. Spirituality searching and learning is where the major value in life is not what you get. The major value in life is what you become. Let others lead small lives, but not you. Let others argue over small things, but not you. Let others cry over small hurts, but not you. Let others leave their future in someone else's hands, but not you. Affirmation without discipline is the beginning of delusion. There are only 3 colors, 10 digits, and 7 notes. It's what we do with them that's important. Whoever renders service to many puts himself in line for greatness, great wealth, great return, great satisfaction, great reputation, and great joy. Maturity is the ability to reap without apology and not complain when things don't go well. The more you know, the less you need to say. Without a sense of urgency, desire loses its value. Don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. It doesn't matter which side of the fence you get off on sometimes. What matters most is getting off. You cannot make progress without making decisions. Success is not to be pursued. It is to be attracted by the person you become.